Well, let's get to your top story. That's Prime Minister Modi's visit to France that began with that warm welcome from the French leader, seeing that huge hug that the two leaders exchanged. This was just before that dinner that President Macron hosted for Prime Minister Modi. This is, of course, the bonhomie on display. Well, at the dinner was also J.D. Vance, the U.S. Vice President, just ahead of the Artificial Intelligence Summit, which Prime Minister Modi is co-chairing with French President Emmanuel Macron. They will also be holding bilateral talks. Now, what else is expected is that the two leaders are expected to hold discussions in both restricted and delegation formats and address the India-France CEOs Forum. Today, in fact, they will be at that Artificial Intelligence Summit, but what we are expecting tomorrow is the two leaders will pay a tribute to the sacrifices made by the Indian soldiers in World War I, and this is going to be taking place at Marseille, which is also the place where the newest Consulate General of India is going to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. The visit is aligned with the ongoing India-France Horizon 2047 roadmap, a long-term initiative aimed at deepening bilateral cooperation across multiple sectors. Let's just also get you a sense of the Indian diaspora that was so excited to get one glimpse of the Indian leader. He interacted with the Indian diaspora in France. Let's listen in.
सबसे हाथ मिलाया मोदी जी ने। हम बहुत खुश हैं मोदी जी हमारे देश में आए इधर। हाँ जी हमने हाथ मिलाया, हम बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत खुश।
मैंने उनसे बात की है कि देश के ये पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं जो सब धर्मों की बात करते हैं, सिख गुरुओं के जन्मदिन मनाते हैं, साहिबजादों के जन्मदिन मनाते हैं और सबको साथ लेके चलते हैं, सबका साथ सबका विकास। ये पहले प्रधानमंत्री है जो सबके धर्मों के लिए बात करते हैं।
और मैं चौथी दफा मिला हूँ मोदी जी से, मैं चौथी दफा मिला हूँ, मेरे को पहचानते हैं, बोलते कैसे
हमारे मोदी जी आए हैं। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, हमने उनसे हाथ मिलाया, हमें इतना अपनापन लगा उनके साथ कि उन्होंने खुद से हमसे हाथ मिलाया, केमचो बोला, तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था और हम उनके लिए रुके हैं, हमको सपोर्ट करने के लिए एआई समिट के लिए आए हैं। तो
Paris. I'm Paradeep Hanot and I'm standing in the heart of where the future of global AI is unfolding as we speak. It's been a rather hectic first day, but that's not all. There's a lot more to look forward to on Tuesday and Wednesday as far as India is concerned. Prime Minister Modi is already in Paris. He's attended a dinner hosted by the French President Emmanuel Macron as well as other heads of states. Now all eyes are going to be on Tuesday, which is day 2 of the summit. Prime Minister Modi is going to be co-chairing the event alongside President Emmanuel Macron, who's going to be the chair for the Global AI Action Summit. And as part of this summit, the focus really is going to be on AI for public good. It's going to be on how to develop AI technologies while keeping in mind the climate. The focus really is going to be on the future of AI, how to implement AI technologies in a manner that can bridge the global AI divide that currently exists. Tuesday is going to be a hectic day for Prime Minister Modi. After co-chairing the AI summit, he's going to be speaking with the CEOs of French as well as Indian tech companies. And post that, he's expected to depart for Marseille along with President Emmanuel Macron, where he's going to be inaugurating the Consulate General of India in Marseille.